This is the hair guru coming at you with a hair review that I had from a company called Double Leaf Wig. I purchased this. I'm not an affiliate. I purchased this with my own money, and I'll always give you an honest review. And I'm as honest as they get. So, but anyway, I purchased this wig with my own money. If you wonder why I'm looking down, I'm just kind of going through so I don't forget any of the specs for you. So this is the wig. I'll go into the construction of how it came packaged to me, but I want to show you. This is a phenomenal straight bob hairstyle lace front with an ombre. I'm going to link everything down below so you'll be able to find this and exactly what I'm talking about if you're confused at all throughout this video. This is purchased from a company called Double Leaf Wig. And the inside, I'll show you the combs, how the combs are set up. Looks like it's just sewn on wefting. I'll try to get as close as I can for you. So this is the front of it you're gonna see. So there's a comb right behind where the 4 inches, I would say, of parting space is, followed by 2 combs on the side where the ears would be. You have your adjustable cap right here down below that you can tighten this up if you wish to make it smaller. And then you have a comb in the back. The size of this that I purchased was a large, which is a 22.75 circumference. So I have a pretty large head. So it's definitely big head friendly, which is great. They came with the lace on the front. I had to cut the lace off. I do have a video. I'm gonna try to link that below. If I don't be upset, but if you can find it, I only have about 18 videos made. But you can find it. I actually cut the lace off in the front and extended down through the sides. I have to do a little bit of a better job over here because I have some lace there. Again, it came pre-plucked hairline, which is a more realistic hairline because if you can see, it looks like there's, it just looks more natural around the hairline. This one it can be colored and bleached. Obviously, it's human hair. I got the 14-inch and it came exactly, this is exactly how it came out of the package. I didn't do anything to this whatsoever. So it's not shiny off the get-go. The hair feels really good. The quality, I would consider this to be like a light yaki to like a silky texture. So a Caucasian woman can get away with it. As well as our darker women, as you know, women of color, we can both wear it, which is really nice. It's ombre, it's dark rooted. The only thing I must say with this, it's 150% density, which is the hair density. I got it a little bit thicker because my hair is thicker naturally, so I got something that I could wear that would be a little bit more believable for my hair. I didn't trim at all, any of that. So that's a really nice quality hair, if you can see that. It sways. It has a lot of movement to it. I'm gonna put it on and show you as well. I got the one with the free part, so you can part it any which way. I'll show you how far you can part down. Again, it's about 4 inches. You can see through it. You can part it all the way from here to the front, and it stops about here. So that's pretty good, and you can part it anywhere, I would say up until there. So you can, you know, if you want to move your part around, you can. It's a free part, which is good. I like it. Overall, I'm really pleased. The only thing I could say that I wish would have happened was, one, and this is hard to find. You're gonna have to do this on your own in a lot of cases, but I wish that the knots would have been bleached on this. And if you don't know what that is, look it up. I have a video on that as well. You put a little bit of bleach. You make a bleach mixture, being very careful not to go penetrate the other side. But it actually bleaches the knots, making it look more apart, like it's supposed to be apart there. So it makes it a little bit nicer for you. That, which is it's a huge detail, but it's a minor one when it comes to wig companies. Not a lot of them have it. You have to do it yourself. And some companies, they give you like little gifts when you buy a wig of this price, which isn't a lot. I think it's very, very reasonable. I think I got it. I want to say it might have been for $133. I'll link everything that you can see the exact price. I have a coupon code that I'm going to list down below, and that is $20 off. Let me just make sure I'm saying that right. $20 off of all lace wigs. They wanted to give me that, extend me that. Again, I'm not an affiliate, but I told them I was a YouTuber making YouTube videos for hair. And the coupon code is THX. And if you use that, you'll get $20 off instantly, which, hey, if you can save some money, I don't get any kickback from it, so don't worry, but feel free to use it and enjoy it. Overall, I'm definitely pleased. I just wish it would have came. Most companies provide some wig caps or like little gifts with it, but I'm not going to be upset about that either. Overall, I think it's a pretty good wig though. A great perk about this wig is you don't need glue to secure it down. You can actually just wind up using the combs to secure it down underneath. And I'm going to show you some tricks with leaving your hair actually down. I don't know about you guys, but wearing a wig cap isn't the most comfortable thing for me. It seems like it slides off my head, my big head. And I came up with a different way to wear wigs that hopefully, if you have some hair you can secure it to, you'll be in good shape, but I'll show you that as well.
Here's that trick I'm telling you about. If you have a little bit of hair and you want to leave your hair out, hence the reason why the product did not have a wig cap, therefore I did not use one. You're going to see me putting my hair back here, and I'm going to use the combs as actually something to hold it fast to my hair a little bit better. There's 5 combs in it. So there's one like we talked about before on the top, 2 by the ears, and 2 in the back. So I'm putting it on, and I'm gonna try to position those combs that way they hold. See what I mean? You could leave it out. Of course, you could see my forehead there. I'm gonna be repositioning. I'm not even using a mirror. If this tells you anything, I'm just throwing it on, showing you my own hair, throwing this on and putting this piece in action and something more believable. If you're wondering why also it's not as light, I also toned the color a bit. I did that off camera it was a little bit too light on the ends for my liking. So I went ahead and did that. If you want to see a video on that, I can certainly do that. Just comment below and let me know. I'm just showing you how believable the part is. I bleached the knots on it, making that a little bit lighter, showing you how it looks in a ponytail. You can wear it just by securing those clips. It actually is quite comfortable. I think it's a lot more comfortable than wearing a wig cap. And if you have a little bit of hair to secure it to, I mean, it's not for everyday use. After time, your hair could probably get a little thin in those pressure spots from putting the combs in those. I'm just showing you what the back looks like with my hair in a ponytail underneath. Look at that. The hair looks good. I'm pretty pleased with the hair itself and the turnaround time it took to arrive to my house. I'm just trying to show you so close up. So if you're out in that sunlight, you look at that part after I bleach those knots on there, it creates a part-like center. I think I'm gonna rock a ponytail today, a low ponytail. That's what I think I'm gonna do. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's quick and easy. I'm gonna do a long term, what I think of the hair long term. and also a few other style options to wear the wigs instead of traditionally wearing them with a stocking cap, putting your hair back that way. So hopefully that's good. I just threw some pictures in here for you guys, just showing you what the hair looks like in different lighting. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.